get this question a lot, that where to get Diksha from, or people usually request me that please become my guru, please conduct a Diksha process for me. So which is why I created this video, so that I can give you some options if you would like to get spiritual Diksha from somebody. Okay, so yeah, hi, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on where to get Diksha from, which are the good sources. I'll be talking about that and will be giving you options. So see, from what I say, there are going to be several different options other than what I have given also. Okay, other than what I'm saying here, there are going to be several different options that are out there that are good, but it's not necessary that I am aware of all the options. So which is why I'm just providing the one that I feel is the best for you. Okay, so yeah, make sure that you watch this entire video till the end to get the entire scoop. Okay, stay tuned. Spiritual Diksha is a process that actually stays in your system for lifetime, which is why try to get it from a reputed source. Try to get it from a source that you would like to trust. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is I'd like to say is who I feel is the best source. Okay, the best institute or organization for getting Diksha is the YSS of India. It's the self-realization fellowship lessons that I have usually talked about in a lot of videos of mine, but definitely I just made this specific video so that I can give you the right answer here. Yeah, I did give right answers over there also, but sometimes it just gets overlooked if the video does not have that thing in the title. Okay, which is why I just made a separate video for this. So YSS of India, it's an organization, self-realization fellowship lessons, which were specially designed by Paramhansa Yoganand. You know, Paramhansa Yoganand is such a big name because, you know, whatever he has done, whatever he did for the spiritual learnings, that has become like a legend. And he was the disciple of Yukteswar Giri Maharaj. You may say, okay, who was that? And Yukteswar Giri was a disciple of Lahari Mahasaya. You know, Lahari Mahasaya is considered to be like, you know, he is considered to be a very, very over the top kind of guru, and all the people who were able to get Diksha from him, everybody considers them lucky that they could actually get in touch with that kind of master. Lahari Mahasaya, he was a student of Maha Avatar Babaji. If you have not heard the name of Maha Avatar Babaji, let me know in the comments. Okay, Maha Avatar Babaji is considered to be the deathless saint. He is considered that he is still alive and he is still staying in certain caves in India, I think in central India. So Mahavatar Babaji is the one, yeah, we can say that he taught Kriya Yoga to Lahari Mahasaya. Lahari Mahasaya taught it to his students. So Kriya Yoga is considered that it prepares your body really well for spiritual progress. Okay, because for spiritual progress, your body is a vessel, and in order to keep that vessel up and running smoothly during the process, they will give you, yeah, those lessons will give you the right steps, have to proceed in the right way. Okay, so yes, so this is according to me. I know, as I said earlier in the video, there are going to be several other sources where you can get a spiritual Diksha from, but I feel, yeah, you know, I cannot recommend the ones whom I don't know, which doesn't mean that those sources are not good. They also may be good, they also may be really great, but I cannot recommend something that I don't know, which is why I'm just recommending the YSS of India. Also, if you would like to go and meditate, you know, Vipassana meditation is also a very good thing that you can go and learn. Okay, it's like the centers are situated all around the world, and it's a 10-day program. it's usually free. Yeah, it is usually free, but you can donate if you want. So the Vipassana program is for 10 days where you will be given the rules, etc. Plus, you will be taught something, once you are used to those rules. Okay, so yeah, that also is good. So this is the video for where to get the best Diksha from. Okay, I hope that this video helps you. If you have any recommended source about where to get a good Diksha from, let me know in the comments. Okay, and if you have liked this video, hit the like button. Share this video with as many people who are trying to search, who are trying to get Diksha from somebody or the other. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.